Okay. I went to a wrench. Adjustable wrench. Put this, eventually I'll put all these back on one, back on the bank of this thing. Just have to do this back here. Might just pull it in there now. Oh yeah, you can bet on it. If these Hondas are all metal. At least this one is. Better shot. Something about that. You have to see a little bit more of what I'm doing here now. This is why I want to use the impact, you know. Fast. Oop. Wrong way. And I just got another nut. That's it, YouTube. That was awesome. And it'd be nice if you guys would have it. It'd be nice if I had a second person, but I don't. Well, that one I didn't even need the thing for. And it fell on the ground. Guide, I gotta be kind of careful because I got a cord attached to you. Drop cord. But the 14 needs a new battery now. This ain't that time to get one. Okay, now we're gonna take this bolt out and I'm gonna put you guide up here. Yeah. I'm trying to have a time lapse up there. I want you to time lapse it. And this is a 12 and 14 also. Okay, I need to brush drain. I'm going to do 14 when I go through the out. Bolt with the pressure. Yeah, it looks nice being one of these guys in my toolbox in our shop. Okay. Right at the end, so I'm using Ryobi impact today. What's nice about impact is it really can't have much torque, you know. Okay, now I get to one here and one down there. At 14? Oh, dang. Let me see. 17? Hey, this one down here is 17. I don't remember what the other one is. Be something. Deal facer right. Let's hope I can get it from this side. This one's nice and tight, guys. I mean, you're this tight. Well, when I took it in for the service, I tightened it. I didn't service that. Okay. What is that nut? 14. Okay, so 17 head and 14 nut. I might, if I get tech savvy enough, I might put them up for you guys. Okay, now I'll put the 17 back on. And we'll go take the bottom bolt out. And if I remember right, yeah, it's gotta come out this side. And a lot of times when you put these back in, you gotta get a punch. Probably shine over the dust when you get done. And don't ever hand in front here. See that? That's where we went wrong side. Don't have it wrong side, no. Pushing for gas fell off again. Hold this up. I know I just said no, I put your hand in front of it. What I'm gonna do, find something, get 2x with one in here. Don't have anything. Got this 4x4 I can bunch in the front. That's too big. Alright, find the hammer. Camera, I got some 2x. Let's see, we're still recording? Yeah, we got 7 minutes, huh? Yeah, block, wood, something, so it don't fall against them. Good. This is like the hardest part. Getting everything worked and come out. Hardest part is coming out. Tighten this up. Wrench it right. Yeah. Okay. Now there's a spacer, like 2-inch spacer on each side. That has to come out. Go back to the hole. Now really just a piece of pipe gets washer oil on each side, but pressure wrench again. Okay, free. There's only one on. There's only one on one side. I forget this one over here. This spacer welded in. I forgot about that. You can see I'll bring it up to the camera. Pretty rusty. Let's see just shows I drive it in the water. I use it. I might just say. Now, where did I put you for this shot? Get the shot. A 3D machine would say. Hopefully I get this shot here. Money shot. Take the motor up. What I'm going to do is put this button upside down. Button that was sitting on there yesterday. So I want to stay set. I'm going to take the motor out. This up out of the way. That ain't going to do anything now. Yeah, always watch your fender when you're ever putting the engine in. There's a little pinching fender. The punch gotta come out first. Come out right. I made a shot tough. There goes that rubber bushing. That's that unit coming out first. And this motor. And that's one engine. Let's not trust that. There we go. I trust that a little bit more. Put this rubber bushing before I forget. And how much dirt's been in there? I jam you in here. Oh my. Yeah, that's dirt. But engine it out. See if I can jimmy back out here. Yeah. I'll take you a little bit further. They weigh about 50 pounds, I would say. Head up here again. Hey, yucky, cameraman. It'd be nice if I have a camera person. So, that getting a shot? No, it ain't. There we go. If I didn't even get shot taking the motor out. Oh, that's just button. Once again, that's just button. For the oil eat right here. Oh, that is really close. That first Pilo drive road, man, it's just that Pilo. That's it, you got to yes. Valves are not opening towards me, so I would say the timing trim did. I can really see what's screwed up if I open these valves up. I'm going to do that one thing. Well, I'm going to get shot here. Make sure I'm getting shot. Okay, I'm actually going to pause this. Make it part 3. Okay, see you later.